Differential calculus, we are now moving ahead and talking about integral calculus. Basically, integration is the reverse of differentiation. If you are comfortable with all concept in the differentiation, you will find this concept is also very easy. The another word which I am asking you, it is called as antiderivative, or it is also called as primitive. So you must keep in mind these are the two. Why it is called as antiderivative, that first I will be explaining to you. You know that 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. So 6 divided by 2 will be equal to 3. So this kind of the relation hold. Therefore we are calling it as antiderivative. Now you know some remark. Derivative of sin x is nothing but cos x. Therefore, integration of cos x dx is nothing but sin x. This is a way to recall. If you forgot any formula in integration, this is the best way to recall. I think you know derivative of log x is nothing but 1 by x. So suppose someone is asking what is the integration of 1 by x with respect to dx, is nothing but log x. If I am asking you find out the derivative of this expression, 1 upon n plus 1 will be coming outside and this derivative will be n plus 1 into x raised to power n. So the simplest form you are getting x raised to power n. So another way, x raised to power n, integration will be nothing but x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This way you can connect the fact. Now if you differentiate this expression, tell me what you are getting. Yes, it will be a raised to power x. Therefore a raised to power x in dx is nothing but a raised to power x upon log a. Okay. Differentiation of e raised to power x is nothing but e raised to power x. So integration of e raised to power x is nothing but e raised to power x. So using this logic, you can recall most of the formulas. Okay. Now I am sharing some remark which you should know. How to get these remarks? What I have just now explained to you, that will be the way to get the remarks. Look at this. This many remarks are there. Out of that, this I have explained to you. Suppose I am asking what is the derivative of x, then it will be 1. So 1 integration is x. Derivative of minus cos x is nothing but sin x. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. Likewise, you just note down all formulas and keep in mind also all these formulas. Just for a minute you can pause this video and complete this. Okay. Further, there are few more remarks in continuation that also I am sharing. So these are few more remarks. Do you know what is this I have explained to you. Differentiation of tan is sec square x. So integration of sec square x is nothing but tan x. If you differentiate this expression, you will getting like here. Okay. So if x here it is 1 is there, then it will be dx upon 1 square minus x square. So likewise, these are the basic formulas. And as a course move further, we will be adding few more remarks. Time being, this many remarks are enough to answer the first 2 assignments. Now we are going ahead and putting some questions based on that. Look at this is one of the question. Suppose it is asked what is the integration of log x minus 3 e raised to power x. We will just separate it as usual, log x separately minus 3 e raised to power x. But I think whatever the formulas I have shown you, you don't know anything about log x. So this type of question will not be discussed in the present discussion. We have to learn some different techniques for such type of question. But can you answer this part? Means if the question is this much only, then it will be minus 3 I can write. E raised to power x answer is nothing but e raised to power x. Okay. Now here it is one more question. 5 cos x plus 7 sec square x. Separately 5 I am taking out, cos x dx plus 7 sec square x. I am asking now what is the integration of cos? You know that. What is the integration of sec square x? That also you know. So integration of cos, you told me it is sine. So I am writing here sine 7 over here. This is nothing but integration of tan. Suppose there are 3 terms, then separately we'll do x square minus 7x plus 8 and 1. You know what is x. Which formula? X raised to power n formula. See here, this is the formula which I am trying to apply, x raised to power n. So x raised to power n means x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Over here, x raised to power 2 means x raised to power 2 plus 1, it is 3 divided by 3, minus 7, x, it will be x square by 2, plus 8, integration of 1, I have told you it is nothing but x, okay. Now moving ahead, and I am sharing something, 6x root x minus 4 sin x plus x dx. 6 will be separate. This multiplication can be written as x raised to power 3 by 2 dx minus 4 as it is sin x. 6 I am writing. It will be nothing but x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 minus 4. Okay. Now integration of sign is nothing but minus cos. Always remember there will be issue with the signs. So you, in the next step, you can just add this here, multiply this, you will be getting 4 cos x. Sometimes question may change in this form. What is the first thought comes in the mind? How do you think about this question? Can you tell me? Yes, that is correct. Separation. First multiply, then separation. Minus 24x cube plus 21 minus 18x square dx. Then separation. 28 is to be taken common. Integration of x dx. Minus 24 is taken common, x cube dx, plus 21 is taken common, 1 dx, minus 18 is taken common, x square dx. Now you know the further simplification. This is 28, it will be x square by 2, minus 24, it will be x raised to power 3 hai na, 1 more is added, plus 21 over here x, minus 18, it will be x cube by 3, and you can simplify this one step and write the answer. Okay. Now one more question on the same line. If it is given the question in this format, what is the first thought? You have to just simplify this part. So what is the simplification? 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Then go for separation. 4 outside, x square dx, minus 12 outside, x dx, plus 9 outside, 1 dx. 4 as it is, it will be x cube by 3, minus 4, 12 as it is, it will be x square by 2, plus 9 as it is, integration of x. If the question pattern is like this, what is coming in the mind? Yes, separation. Take out 5 common, this separation will give you 1 by x. Minus 7 common, this separation will give you 1 by x cube dx. Now 1 by x, you know the formula, it is nothing but log x. But how do you answer this minus 7 over here? I can write x raised to power minus 2 dx and apply the same basic formula. Which basic formula I am talking about? This is the basic formula. X raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now, if you ask me, here it will be 5 log x minus 7. This is nothing but x raised to power minus 1. So it will be minus 3 upon minus 3. And further you can, this 3 can be shifted, it will be 5 log x plus 7 by 3, and I can write x cube, sorry, here it is x cube is there, no? So here 3 will be there, so here it will be 4 will be there, here also you will get minus 4, so this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, okay. Now once there will be one option whenever any integrand, this is called as integrand. Whatever it is given, this is called as integrand. You know this is nothing but the differentiation of something. So that is one type of question. Sometimes no question will be given like this also, where the integrand is not straightforward. For example, if I ask you differentiate this, you will be answering cos 2x. Do you agree? No. Therefore I am adding something. If cos 2x dx is asked, then its answer will be nothing but sin 2x by 2. Now how to relate this? I am writing the same question again. Now I am asking what is the integration of cos. You will be telling me sin. But this fact will be as it is. Divided by derivative of this is 2. Are you connecting? Derivative of that. Do you remember chain rule in the differentiation? We are multiplying with something. This is an integration, so we are dividing. Now this is the question. So what can be the answer? E raised to power 4. E raised to power x is as it is. It is nothing but e raised to power here it is minus 5 will be coming. Differentiation is multiplied. Now, so if I am asking what is the integration of e raised to power 4 minus 5x, then e raised to power x formula is e raised to power x. So it is as it is, divided by what? Minus 5 divided by minus 5. One more last question. This is the differentiation of something. It's a differentiation of what? Tan, correct. It will be tan of 4x plus 3. But this is tan. What is the differentiation of this? 4. So differentiation we are multiplying and integration we are dividing. So likewise you can connect. Look at further. There are few more examples. Differentiation of this. It will be 12x cube. So I can write 12x cube. I am just talking about a reverse procedure. It will be 3x raised to power 4 plus 7. Do you agree? Now this is a problem. What is its differentiation? It will be. So I am trying to apply the reverse definition. It will be x cube dx will be equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 5. We have learned that also. Differentiation of something is this. So its integration will be this. Differentiation of this will be this. Its integration will be like this also. Reverse. Now question arises. If you look at both the question, what you are noticing in both the question is same but answers are different. They are differ by a constant. Therefore, in case it is asked this much and we know where from the differentiation is going to get, then you must write it will be 3x. Actually, how it is getting 3x raised to power 4? This 12 will be coming out. It will be x raised to power 4 by 4. If you simplify, you will get 3x and then you write plus c. Always remember plus c is to be written in all questions. So far I have not written. Now in this particular discussion what I have shared with you, if there are two functions with the integration, then integration of the first plus or minus the same sign, it will be integration of the second. And one more logic I have shared with you, if there is some constant, then constant can be taken out and you can integrate. So unknowingly you have used this property and so what extra things I am sharing, it should be plus c in all the cases. Therefore if you have seen all that assignment, the formulas which I have shown, there it was plus c was there. So what you can do now, in every case you can add, just I am waiting for your right here, every question, integration is plus c. Over here the plus c, this is plus c. If you solve the problem, then also this solution is on in your notebook, this is also plus c. Over here also plus c, this is also plus c. Here also you can add. It is a constant of integration, because by adding this there will be no impact on the solution, because differentiation of any constant will be equal to 0. Differentiation of any constant. So with this thought we are concluding the first concept, where all the time straight away integration is known to you. Okay, so in the next discussion we will talk about further.